In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Cloudflare. Whether you're new to Cloudflare or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can easily access your account and get started with managing your websites or applications. Logging into Cloudflare is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure accuracy when entering your credentials, especially if you're using two-factor authentication. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once it's open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser window and type in --clatslaalgard.com. That's the official login page for Cloudflare. Once you've typed it in, press enter on your keyboard, and the login page should load in just a moment. On the Cloudflare login page, take a moment to locate the fields where you'll enter your account information. These should be prominently displayed, usually near the center of the page. You'll see one field labeled email and another labeled password. This is where you'll input the credentials associated with your Cloudflare account. Let's start with your email address. In the email field, enter the email address you used when you created your Cloudflare account. This step is crucial, so take your time and double-check the email for accuracy. Typos or small errors, such as leaving out a letter or adding an extra character, can lead to login issues. If you're confident the email is correct, move on to the next step. Next, in the password field, carefully enter the password for your Cloudflare account. As with the email, it's a good idea to double-check your password to ensure there are no mistakes. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key isn't accidentally turned on, and confirm that all letters, numbers, and special characters are entered exactly as they should be. Your password must match the email you provided in the previous step. Once your email and password are both entered correctly, go ahead and click the Login button. This is usually located just below the password field. Clicking this button will submit your login credentials to Cloudflare and attempt to sign you into your account. If your account has two-factor authentication or 2FA enabled, you may be prompted to complete an additional security step. This is a common feature for protecting your account and ensuring that only you have access. At this point, you'll need to open the Authenticator app on your mobile device. This could be an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or another app you've set up for your Cloudflare account. When you open the Authenticator app, you'll see a list of accounts you've added to it. Locate the entry for Cloudflare in the app, and you'll notice a 6-digit code displayed next to it. This code refreshes every 30 seconds, so make sure to use the most up-to-date code. Carefully type this 6-digit code into the field provided on the Cloudflare website. As with your email and password, accuracy is key here, so double-check the code before proceeding. After entering the two-factor authentication code, click the button to confirm and complete this step. If everything is entered correctly, you'll be logged into your Cloudflare account and taken to the Cloudflare dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub for managing your websites, DNS settings, security configurations, and more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Cloudflare, and you're ready to get started with whatever tasks you need to tackle on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.